Alright guys, so let's get started with this tutorial. This is creating your first, clicking bot. Like very simple, and this will give you the basics of making a bot that clicks. So this is the beginning of creating a bot that clicks and types stuff for you. You can learn it at automatingtheboringstuff.com, chapter 18. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, download Python, install the exe. I'll show you this. Next, do the path, the tutorials on this guy's YouTube channel. I'm not gonna do it because I already done it, and you could watch on your own, and you can learn, and you can watch on your own how to install it too, because I won't be doing that, because this tutorial is basically on this library. So let's get started. So they have some examples here. Code. But they can pause it too. Okay, let's get installing it. First things first. So we're gonna get your CMD open. So we're gonna type in pip install Pyautogui GUI, and it should be installed like that. Alright, next, to check if it's installed, you go Python. Now you're in the REPL of Python. REPL is the playground of Python. So just from REPL, we're gonna import Pyautogui GUI. Cool. Now we have that library imported. Next things we do is figure out what's my resolution of my screen. So Pyautogui dot size, and it's 1080p. That's awesome. So we know that my screen is 1920 by 1080p from that functionality. Next, we're going to move my mouse with code, which is going to be mind-blowing. So basically, when you write software, you tell the computer what to do step by step, and that's what code does. So we're gonna do Pyautogui GUI move to, let's see, and it jumps to the corner. There's 100 by 100 duration equals 0.25, and move by itself all the way up there by itself. So that is pretty cool, isn't it? Let's do it again. Let's move my mouse. Let's press up and do command. Let's put my mouse here. Make sure it's clicked. Oops, this is clicked. So, and then my mouse is gonna move that way. No, there we go. So it's really hard to enter because I always press the console, and the mouse has a mind of its own. So this is a good place to create a starting position to start your program, and it'll always go to that starting position. So I recommend you figure out what starting position your app's going to be at. So to get the mouse position, you can go delete all this. It'll be position, and you can figure out where your mouse will be at. So press enter. So the mouse is right here. That's the location, 828 by 767, and then you type that in again, and then you go to this corner and figure out what position that is. That's 41 by 100. That's that location. So assuming wherever your game is at, you can figure out or create a border with a different library for that game you're trying to automate to play, by robots. So this is a very simple robot. See what else can my robot do? Well, it can. Let's find my click game. So this is my click game. So this clicks. So I go like that. Let's reset it. So let's try to do some clicks. So I'm not doing scroll, that's not important. So we're gonna write a code to click this up button. So it's gonna have a 4-second delay. So let's try. So we're gonna use Pyautogui.click, and we're gonna do clicks equals to 10, and we're gonna do duration is 0.25. Save, and we're gonna bring out the console. Let me get this out. Now we got quit. That's the parentheses means run. Always means run. And then like this is just a variable. Hello, that's a variable. We're gonna do Python. What's this file called? Auto. And we have 4 Mississippi, so there, it clicked 10 times. Boom. Amazing, isn't it? So yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? It clicked 10 times with a 4-second delay. Let's see the parameters. Let's drag release. Let's read the docs. So interval. Oh, it's not duration, it's interval. So this should be interval. So I give it a little bit more delay. Interval. That's the correct parameter. And we're gonna do it again. Let's find my little. These are both my apps that I made. These are both little tiny toys I made for fun. Cause that's what I do. I make very, very simple apps. Cause I like doing them for fun. And let's do this. And voila! With a 4-second delay, is then what 0.25 of a second is gonna click 10 times. Isn't that really cool? So I basically create like 3 lines of code to just click. So people that are like really lazy don't click 1,000 times. You can be like, oh, I want to click this 100 times, 1,000 times. You can like mass spam with the delay. But a lot of sites don't allow bots because they have captchas and they can really kind of detect these kind of things, but new apps can't. But yeah, and see what else can we do? Move left and right. Let's do a scroll. Let's do a mouse scroll. So I'm gonna do a mouse scroll. Copy paste this line of code right here, and then I'm gonna scroll this. We're gonna give a 4-second delay. No, I have to get rid of all the white space. The code's gonna break. Okay, make sure all the code is good, and give a 4-second delay. So boom. It's gonna start moving a little bit. I'm not touching it. There, it moved a little bit. I jumped. Let me show my face. So I'm showing my hands are actually not like moving. I should put my hand. Oh well. The camera's as low as it can be. Let me try unzoom. Give me 1 second. Let me unzoom this so I can see most of my body. There we go. We can unzoom. Boom. And we're gonna go into the code and give it 100. 4-second delay. That's a 4-second delay. And then my hands are up. See? It's go by itself. Just to prove this is code and I'm not touching the keyboard or mouse at all. So all you have to do is just read through the docs. But the most important thing is getting it set up. So once you get it set up, all this is easy, and then just combine it with like regular Python code, and then you can make some awesome bots, like, you know, playing video games or whatever repetitive tasks you do all day, you know. So the whole point of having a bot is to automate your life and do and finish repetitive tasks. But this is a very, very generic, simple kind of thing. And then if you also learn like a machine learning library or deep learning library, you can add this and just, yeah, basically automate your life, and then just create an app to do something that's very repetitive with some decision making capabilities. And thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned something. And till next time, guys, peace. Remember, like and subscribe to learn more tech stuff, but I teach at a basic level. I'll see if I can do more in the future. Peace.